So, headed out today. Finally get to fly my new DJI FPV with the version 2 goggles. It's around 60 degrees today, so it's a good chance to get out and do it. Headed out to the Boulder Valley. I'm going to send it out just in sport mode and see how far I can go. Alrighty. Well, I'm out here in the Boulder Valley about to do a maiden voyage on this thing. It's a bit of a process to get everything put together. This will be my first flight, and I'm hoping to do a range test too at the same time, in sports mode. So it'd be kind of nice if you could record the control screen, but all right. So as you can see here on my phone, all you get is the picture that the drone is seeing, but you don't see the controls. But anyways, we're gonna wait for the home point to update, and then I'm gonna have to take off my hat here. And for all you people that wear glasses, this thing is compatible. Motor starting. Wow, takes off fast. Okay, sports mode activated. 96% battery. Whew. This is kind of a dizzy effect here. That's cool. Hardly any wind today. Going right against the sun. I'm not in acro mode. I'm not really prepared to do it yet. Okay, so I'm going 50 miles an hour right now. Man, it's perfect connectivity. 60. Okay, there it dropped out a bit. RC signal lost. Fail-safe return to home. Okay, so how do I cancel that? All right, I canceled it. So just like the other drones, you can't go too low. I really like that roll effect though. I do have to make some adjustments with the glasses. Okay, I'm coming up on 1 mile. Perfect connectivity here. Hopefully no critters sneak up on me. So apparently there's some kind of a setting where you can adjust the camera so that it doesn't show the props. Trying to go lower. I'm negative 65 feet right now. Let's see if there's any critters out here. Ooh, that banking effect is pretty sweet. The image on this is killer. And in sports mode, it's just like flying any of the other drones. I'm gonna take it up just a little bit. I'm pointed in the general direction. Oh, now my height is negative, there we go, 50 feet. I usually take the other ones around 200.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point.
Okay, just as I thought. 12,000 feet. And because this thing's brand new to me, I'm just gonna let it return home. I'm gonna fly it home. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that, but 12,163 with 60% battery left. And with how quirky this thing was to get going, I'm just gonna bring it back. Pressing the brake button, but let's cancel that. Okay, I'm back in control. So I made it 12,000 feet. I wondered how far I'd make it on this battery. It's kind of cool because they actually show me an H where I'm standing. I want to bring it down. 54% battery. I knew there was no way at this high altitude that I was going to go, whatever they said, 10 kilometers. There was just no way that was going to happen. So it is what it is. It's pretty fun to fly, even in just being like a normal drone, sports mode. I like the roll effect. I like the drone. I just wish DJI would get their act together with the goggle activation. There's a ton of people out there, hardworking folks, that can't activate their goggles. Some of them didn't buy the whole complete package, so there we got some nice low shots. If you bought the whole package, the whole FPV system with the drone and everything, there's a hack out there. Cyclone FPV had it on his channel the other day. And it's the only way I could get this thing to activate. Really ticked me off because I lost 2 days of flying. I wanted to fly around my town, but yeah, I really like how this thing flies. I'll be doing acro mode. I want to spend a little more time on the simulator though, because I'm into doing flips and stuff. All right, I hear it coming. Apparently I was pointed the other direction. I was pointed the wrong way and I went 12,000 feet. Let's go ahead and hit return to home and see how close it comes to landing on the box. It's going up. I need to adjust this return to home. All the settings are in the goggle. Oh. 28% battery. It says I got 3 minutes left. Well, I hope it's smart enough to know. Oh, here we go. Gimbal pitch axis endpoint reach. So you can't look directly down like the other drones, but I do hear a plane coming, so I do want it to come down. Here's the area I'm flying in. 60 degrees out today. Almost all the snow's melted. It's pretty awesome. It's been warming up the last 2 weeks. It's been really nice. So there's a plane coming in the area, and I don't have any alerts on here. I'm standing directly over the box. Let's see where it goes. I'm sure I can cancel this just like the other ones. Nope. Missed the box. Not by much though. Alright. So, I would say that was pretty close. I haven't tried hand landing this. Actually, this is my very first flight, so. Still getting used to everything. I think I'm gonna hand land it. That's way easier than trying to land on that box. Ooh. Yeah, this drone's pretty sick, but I'm at high elevation here. I don't know, this is probably 5,000 foot. And 12,000 feet, 163 was the distance I just went. And this was a fully charged battery. So, I'll have to look at the clock, but I bet you it was around 10 minutes or so. Went by pretty quick. But we'll have to see. I'm gonna end recording here. And I wanna see what my battery's left at. Battery's down to 12%. 88% on the goggles, which is fine.